to 2ac square plus bc.
Means what? Means what they have asked us. What is 2 times, what is AB square? Children, what is AB?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse.
Do we have one more hypotenuse, AC?
Yes, sir.
And how are the two
Yes.
hypotenuses? On the either sides of the equality, yes or no?
Yes.
What to do? What to do? Find the value of 2AB square, equation number 1. Find the value of 2AC square, equation number 2, and subtract 2AB square minus 2AC square. Hypotenuse minus hypotenuse, and minus hypotenuse will go there and become plus hypotenuse. Yes or no? Huh.
Yes, sir.
And what all they have given? One more condition they have given. DB is equal to 3 times CD. So let me take CD as X. Suppose CD is X. Then how much is DB? Are how much
3x.
is 3x? Is it? If CD is X, then DB is 3x. Yes or no? 3 times CD.
Yes, sir.
And required thing is BC. How much will it going to be BC? How much is BC going to be?
4x.
X plus 3x.
X plus 3x, 4x. X plus 3x, 4x की नहीं.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, start finding the values of AB square. Fatafat. Tell me how much is AB square?
Sir, AD square plus DB square.
AD square plus DB square. But what do I want? I want 2 times AB square. So let me multiply whole equation by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
2AB square is 2AD square plus 2DB square. That is equal to 2AD square plus 2 into what is DB? DB is 3x. Yes or no?
3x.
So 2 times AD square plus 2 into 9x square gives me 2AD square plus 18x square, equation 1. Am I right? Children, am I
Yes,
right
sir.
in getting the value of
Yes, sir.
2AB square? Now you tell me what should I get the AC square? How do I get AC square? AC square is equal to what?
Sir,
AD
CD
square plus
plus
CD
DB
square.
AD square plus CD square. But what I want? What do I want?
multiplied by 2. 2AC square.
So what is 2AC square?
4 multiplied by 2.
AD square plus 2CD square.
And how much is CD?
X.
So 2x square,
X square.
equation 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I got 2AB square, I got 2AC square. What should I do? Subtract. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So tell me 2AB square minus 2AC square. Left hand side minus left hand side is equal to right hand side minus right hand side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 2AD square plus 18x square minus into brackets 2AD square plus 2x square. Open the brackets. 2AD square plus 18x square minus 2AD square minus 2x square plus 2AD square minus 2AD gets cancelled. 18 minus 2, 16x square.
X square.
And what is 16x square? Can I write it as 4x
4x.
the whole square? है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
And what is 4x?
Yes, sir.
BC. 4x is nothing but BC. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
so what did I get? What did I get therefore? See, 2AB square minus 2AC square is equal to BC square. And this minus 2AC goes and becomes plus 2AC. Yes or no? So 2AB square becomes 2AC square plus BC square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What have we done?
Yes.
What have we done? Hypotenuse minus hypotenuse. Have we done hypotenuse minus hypotenuse?
Yes.
Are we understanding, children?
Yes, sir.
Write
Yes,
it.
sir.
So write it. Solution. In triangle. Which triangles? ADB and triangle ADC.
ADC.
by Pythagoras theorem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Subtracting 2 from 1, we get. It's always going to be hypotenuse minus hypotenuse. If you have to prove a relation between two hypotenuses which are on the either sides of the equality. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So here we will stop for the day. Finished? Fine.
Yes, sir.
So that's all for the day. We'll stop over here. Goodbye, all of you.
Thank you, sir.